Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 things you need to be a good investor. In reality, you probably need a lot of things to be a good investor. However, these are just 4 examples I came up with. Let's get started. Number 1, money. In order to invest, you need money to continually invest in the first place. You should have a consistent form of income for investing. An example of this is a 9-to-5 job. Let's say you work a 9-to-5 job, and every time you get paid, you set aside some money to invest in stocks. Or let's say you have a rental property. Every time your tenants pay you the rent, you could set aside some money to invest in stocks. Now, the more money you invest, the bigger potential impact it can have on your life. What I mean by this is, let's say you only invest $10 and then you just stop there. Even if that doubles in value, you're only going to end up with $20. That's not going to have a huge impact on your life. However, let's say that you invest $100,000. If that doubles in value, you're going to end up with $200,000, which should have a more significant impact on your life. So, in order to be a good investor, you should have a good stream of income that you can use to continually add value to your portfolio. And the more money you invest, the bigger potential impact it could have on your life. Number 2, knowledge and information. If you just blindly invest in random stocks without knowing anything about them, you're probably going to lose money. So before you start investing, you should take the time, do some research on the information that you need. Some examples of this are what product or service the company provides. Do they sell toothpaste? Do they sell clothes? Do they sell cars? Another example of information you should look up is the dividend history. If you're investing in dividend stocks, look at what it's been paying over time. Have the dividends gone up? Have they gone down? Have there been huge gaps where the company just stopped paying dividends? That's information that's really important. Now, I'm not saying you need to know every single detail, but at least take the time and do some research before you buy. Number 3, control of emotions. Stock prices, they move up and down every single day. And during a recession, your portfolio value could go down 50% or more. Are you ready for that? Do you have the stomach to handle those type of fluctuations? If not, then investing might not be for you. If you look at your portfolio every day and go, oh my God, it went down 2%, it's the end of the world. It's probably not the end of the world for you. You're just overreacting. Now, good investors need to be able to control their emotions, be patient, and know that in the long run, it's probably just going to be okay. Number 4, time. Staying invested in the stock market takes time. Investing should be a long-term plan. If you only have enough time to invest short-term, you probably shouldn't be investing. Some people would disagree with me and say, well, you could day trade or try to make some really quick money. I disagree with this. I think that if you're going to invest, you should think of it in a long-term way. Keep on investing every single year, keep on adding more money to your portfolio, and you should see a huge return in the long run. Now, don't expect to see the biggest returns right away. You should try to think about how your portfolio is going to do over 20 years, 40 years, something like that, over a long period of time. If you just stay invested for 1 year, you're probably not going to make the greatest returns after just 1 year. Now, in my first year, I was only making $2 a year in dividends. But now, years later, I'm making $3,000 a year in dividends. That's a huge jump. However, this didn't happen overnight. It took a couple years for me to continually invest in my portfolio and get to this point. So, those were 4 things that I think that every good investor should have. Let's go into my portfolio update. So, how's my portfolio performing? Right now, my portfolio is worth $64,240.50. $36,134.54 is in my CMA Edge account. That's my taxable account. And in my Roth IRA, I have $28,105.96. In my Roth IRA, any money that I earn and any money that I withdraw once I retire, I don't have to pay taxes on, which is great. As you can see this graph, my portfolio has gone up over time. The total contributions is $56,852.37. The money I've made from interest and dividends is $4,368.34. And as a result of market performance, I'm currently up $3,247.94. Let's go and look at what exact holdings I have in my portfolio. We're going to start with my CMA Edge account first. So, in my CMA Edge account, I have $4,438.39 available to invest. If you have any suggestions on which stocks I should invest in right now, comment them down below. Now, look at my holdings. I have 12 shares of HYG, 30 shares of Johnson & Johnson, 10 shares of JNK, 291 shares of MLPX, 9 shares of 3M, 260 shares of Oxy, 90 shares of AT&T, 40 shares of Waste Management, and 40 shares of ExxonMobil. Now, let's head over to my Roth IRA. In my Roth IRA, I have $4,459.07 to invest. Again, if you have any suggestions on which stocks I should buy in my Roth IRA, just give me a comment. So in my Roth IRA, I have 2 shares of AbbVie, 10 shares of Chevron, 10 shares of Disney, 27 shares of Duke Energy, 110 shares of EPD, 10 shares of Good, 10 shares of Land, 50 shares of L Brands, 80 shares of Oxy, 40 shares of Public Storage, and 70 shares of AT&T. Let's go over and see what I've bought and sold recently. Now, if we look at the past 7 days, here you can see that I bought 27 shares of AT&T, and this was executed at $36.59. I also bought 27 shares of Duke Energy at $86.84. Let's look at my estimated investment income. So in my Roth IRA, it's estimated that I should be earning $1,165.14 in dividends per year. And in my CMA Edge, it's estimated that I should be earning $1,718.60 in dividends per year. In total, that should be about $2,883.74 per year in dividends. Well, that's it for my portfolio update, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.